Check out carmarshal.com. The link is in the description. They help support us.
Good morning. I've done my case law study and I filed my motion, so I want your all's opinion, so please leave your comment. Okay, it's a motion to dismiss injunction in case 17378DR under double jeopardy clause and same element test under Dixon 509 United States at 1135 Supreme Court at 2856. Argument and merit. Judge Hayes, in fact, is violating federal constitutional law of 9th, 5th, and 14th, double jeopardy and due process. See State v. Johnson, 676 SO2D 408, 1996. For double jeopardy analysis in applying 775-021. To a single criminal transaction or episode, we look to see whether the episode constitutes more than one separate criminal offense. Offenses are separate if each offense requires proof of an element that the other does not have. And the examination is limited to a comparison of the violation conditions of star 411 injunction and the stationary language of the aggravated stalking offense. The standards to prevent double jeopardy. See Blackburger versus United States. Citation 284 United States 229. Holding. Where the same act or transition constitutes a violation of two distinct statutory provisions, the test to be applied to determine whether there are two offenses or only one is whether each provision requires proof of an additional fact that the other does not have. See United States versus Dixon, ET AL number 91 through 1231. That test provides that if the essential or to establish the essential element of an offense charge and the prosecution, the government will prove conduct that constitutes an offense for which the defendant has already been prosecuted. A second prosecution may not be had. 495 U.S. at 510 pp. 694 through 697. Conclusion. To the fact that the case 16686 DV and 17378 DR had and was the same charge using the same evidence, the court's later case 17378 DR is in fact double jeopardy in the federal violation of constitutional law. Relief. Dismiss the illegal fundamental errors of the courts, illegal injunction to double jeopardy against defendant Rodney McGee, to which McGee objects to. Certificate of service. I swear this is true, and the foregoing will go to Judge Hayes, Kimberly Capinelli, in care of Attorney Jeff Rapkin, Clerk of the Court at 350 East Marion Avenue, Punta Gorda, Florida, 33950. My signature and everything else. So, tell me what you guys think. Have a good day.
Hey, Sheriff, we have a question about why your office, your intelligence division, is investigating private citizens for criminal investigation that happen to be activists that are overseeing your department. Why would you have your intelligence division investigate private citizens? We have done...
For life hating so much.
Sir, we don't hate anyone. We love freedom and we love American people. And government is out of control. That's why you're seeing such a revolt nationwide. Why can't you just answer, why is Susan Edwards, your intelligence division, investigating private citizens? This should not happen.
Are you here to apply for a job?
Possibly I might be applying for a job, but that's irrelevant to my question. Why would you ask that question?
Well, enjoy the fair.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Excuse you?
Excuse me, sir.
So those of you that haven't
Wow.
been on a bike before, we're
Sheriff's getting a little too pushy. You work for us, Sheriff. Just keep that in mind. At one time we respected you, but not with that type of attitude.
County. This is Sheriff County COPWATCH, and I wanted to explain what fair use is. You can use pieces of news articles if you're doing it for news reporting, you have commentary, and you're doing it for education purposes. So that's what fair use is, as you can see right here. Another reason why I wanted to make this video is to let you know I have just joined with Patreon. A nice thing with Patreon, I make no money on YouTube. They took the money away years ago, and so this is another way to give, and it's a nice thing too because you can give monthly. You can give $1, $5, $10, whatever. I do 4 to 5 hours a day on trying to wake the sheeple up on how corrupt it is and different ways that you can fight the corruption. So Patreon is a way that you can do it, and then of course the old way is still there. Donate to Sheriff County COPWATCH with PayPal or credit card. So keep that in mind. 4 to 5 hours a day. I make no money, but the corruption happened to me and I'm sick of it, so I'm trying to wake people up. But my wife would love it if if we could get some help out there. There's 47,000 subscribers. Just think if each one of you subscribers just gave a let's say, actually, yes, $1 a month. 47,000 subscribers gave $1 a month. That would be awesome. That's not going to happen. But anyways, that would be great if it did happen. But, you know, do the math in your head. Just think about it. Like I said, 4 to 5 hours a day. I get no money from YouTube. YouTube has gone nuts. You can't do anything anymore. They're taking the money away everywhere. So these are a couple different ways that you can still help out with all this time that I put in. And as you know, I'm in a special situation where, you know, at least I can do it. You know, 4 to 5 hours a day. We have a cleaning company during the day. That's what allows me to do this, and we're debt free. So this is my hobby. I don't go fishing and all that other crap. I try to save the world. So help me out to make the wife happy, man. In fact, if you guys did give $1 a day, and there was 47,000 of you, and you did it, and each of you gave $1, and that was every month, oh my God, yes, I could quit. I could start suing them. Another idea, too, that we have is, you know, if I got, you know, some funds, we could actually contact everyone that has been ticketed and or arrested and put in jail and start sending them postcards to let them know we're here, and to see if everything went all right, and if it didn't, find out their story. So we could even do more investigations and more lawsuits. Lawsuits take money. So just think about that. You know, 47,000 of you so far right now. You know, $1 a day. I mean, $1 a month on Patreon, or $5 a month Patreon, 10, 20, whatever. Just do the math in your head. Help out. This is a lot of work every single day. Thanks.